Hey guys, this is the Boys Horror here, and today we are playing the Food Truck Experience. Don't forget to check out this game, and also make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell to see our post.
Welcome to your first night shift at the food truck.
I love food.
Scary. Your job is to take care of the customers and.
Oh, I'll take care of them, all right.
Alright, I take care of the park. Good luck. Yeah, you better give me good luck. There's probably some random serial killer. Like, I bet that. Night one. Why is it different nights? I just want one night. Oh, wait, this is one night. Oh, look at that bench. Wait, what?
Which
It's
bench?
Realistic. Hello. Oh, that's sad.
It's my dad.
Okay. I thought that was okay. Let's open the truck. You know what I want to do? Why are you doing that? Can I do that? Is it a gun? What's with me and guns in these horror games?
Uzi!
Uzi! I want an Uzi! It's like Deadpool. No, that's Deagles. Wait, wash hands? Why do we have to wash hands? We're in a low company, like, no money earning, flipping food truck. Why do we need to get that? Oh, wait, how much are the Uzis? 149 for getting like.
Wait, guys, am I tripping or was his skin dark black? I'm not being racist. It wasn't brown. It was straight just black.
Whose skin?
Is that Harmony? Wait, I think that's Harmony's avatar.
Hey.
Why can't I know
Harmony? Wait, that is! I don't pause!
Why'd you say
I did not mean
that?
I did not mean that. Pause. I did not mean that.
Oh, it's Drew. It's Drew. Drew is coming.
I did not mean that.
Give me a burger.
Can we cut that out? I don't know. Oh my god, it's Drew. Yo. Oh,
Okay, who's gonna be the next person?
So how do we cook them? Can we not cook? No, there's like so many people. Why are there so many people in that van? They can only support like one person.
Bro, I'm
Menu.
Oh my god, that was so funny, Liam. You're like, who's this? Hey, and I'm like, isn't that Harmony's avatar? And you're like, oh my god, that's my cousin.
Hot dog soda. Like, it doesn't have like the word "n" or like.
Do they just teleport here? Oh,
me? Oh no, I thought there was me.
Hello, you guys are here. Hello.
Wait, let me put a little bit of volume on, so, like just one bar, so you can like hear.
Who are you?
Hello?
I have no clue who that is.
Prank call. I hate prank callers. No.
She has very realistic hair.
Haha, thanks.
Hello? Hey, I can actually say that now.
Yeah, let me look at your realistic hair.
yo, chill.
I actually just realized that. That is really realistic. Hey, no, I'm here. Dang it. I think that,
You're gonna get copyrighted from that.
is that like...
Yeah, also saying stuff like that is copyright.
That's flipping...
It's a wizard.
You're a wizard. I love Harry Potter. Hi. It's not copyright.
Oh my god, it's Caillou!
Sure, that's not copyright. Copyright is music.
Gee, thanks.
Is that like Caillou from the bingo game?
Fine. We're fine. Me. Who's that?
Oh,
it's flipping Mr. Clean.
no, it's Caillou.
I think that's Noah. I actually think that's Noah.
Get a burger so I can like smack the cheese on your head.
Haha, thanks.
Up some burgers.
I'm sure Abby could cook.
Wait, who is this?
Shine reflecting on her forehead.
Dang.
No, this is Superstar. It's Caden. No.
Oh, my bad. I just gave him the wrong.
Really? No, we're gonna be fine. Like, what happens if you give them the wrong order? Who's this guy? Hi. Ew,
Shy guy. What is this?
it's time to close. We only got like 5 customers. We're kind of broke. How are we gonna afford dinner? Actually, no, we can get some like ramen. It'll be like $5.
Be honest though, food trucks are always closed.
Wait, look! They closed it in the door in the truck.
Well, I guess I'm chilling here.
We closed shut.
Why do they advertise so many guns in games like this? Like there's literally guns every single where you look.
Foods are like so expensive.
Yeah. What is that?
No, literally, I just
It's
looked to my
like
right and I saw a gun.
It's vomit? There's just paper. Like, just relax, bro.
Liam, if you have to guess, what's behind you?
Open this trunk. Well, open it.
And like, why did you ask me, bro? Like,
No, it was a gun. There's a gun on that table.
Wait, so we're just gonna pick it up. We're not gonna like use any like gloves or sanitization.
No.
Yeah, 'cause I'm gonna pull it.
We're just gonna throw it in Shay. Nah, I'm just kidding, Shay.
No, there's like a gun on everything. Which I think what's wrong.
I didn't know what was.
You.
Guys, I swear if there's a gun in here. Why did that actually scare me?
Is there any more trash? No, it's not. Hello?
I didn't
Sorry, guys,
scream,
now
I just like tensed up.
throw the trash into the dumpster. What dumpster? That didn't exist. What? I'm gonna walk down the corner. I already got my calories in. Wait, that. Why should one of us do that? I mean,
I'm gonna get there before you guys. Who would buy a gun in this game?
It's scared, but you hear me
Wash your bum
screaming.
bum.
I'm like a little girl.
I'm going down there. I'm going down.
Yeah, I'm going down.
Curious what I'm gonna see.
It's time to start that shit. Also, we're just gonna act like nothing happened.
Oh, I think that's Avery.
I just said that.
Gee, thanks.
Let's
Who is that?
me. I would buy this. Wash your hands. Thank God we have to wash our hands.
Don't be afraid of them.
Okay.
Bro, I didn't even wash my hands.
Good thing you did not say goalie.
I'm gonna rub my hands all over this burger and just shove it in their face. It's bad.
I have to cut that out.
It is Avery. I just gave her a hot dog.
Hello.
Hi.
I just gave her a hot dog. The glizzy. She's gonna inhale my glizzy. Pause.
Chill. Okay.
Oh yeah, shoot. Right.
No, you don't. You have to come with me.
Why do we have a fryer?
Besides the
I'm definitely afraid.
That's my friend.
I'm definitely afraid of women. Looking at you, I'm afraid of you. My gosh, golly.
That's what I'm
Flip. Yeah, thank God. Gosh, golly.
If somebody was in trouble, you think the first place they would call was a food truck?
That moon. Holy. That moon is actually beautiful. It's a block. Hot dog.
Okay.
I give it the hamburger.
What? Kidding. I have to cut that out as well. It's fine. I don't have to cut anything out.
Hi.
Alright.
Who are you?
Pick it up. Don't dare pick it up, Jagger.
I didn't even know who that was.
What did it scare me? Hello? Hello? What? Why is that scaring me? Was someone in trouble? I gotta hope not.
Didn't you do Kaden the wrong thing too?
Imagine, like, just like the flippin' burger. Oh, she's back for more. She's like a Karen. She's gonna complain. She wants her burger. I gave her a hot dog. She wants a burger. She's like a Karen. I'm not funny. I'm not gonna pick it up on. She just walked away. Hello? So disrespectful. What are the people in these horror games like so disrespectful? They don't. First,
That's literally you.
red burger. They don't close the door. And then the other one, they just have no manners. What the heck? They haven't like learned.
He gave him a hot dog.
Oh, hello. I didn't think soda. Jagger is already crunching on the animated character. Probably your cousin. It's not a bro.
Give the
Actually, what is this? Is it a bro? Like, it's put in the comments, like, you're saying bro to, like, your friends.
give customer a hashtag question mark plus exclamation point x underscore dollar sign.
Yeah, yeah. I don't know. Oh.
he needs to.
Yeah,
Hey, hey, Michael, don't leave me here.
is that me? What's me? It's me. Hi. I should die for burger. I had a burger for like. I wanted a burger.
Dude,
I
what is that?
wanted a burger.
Somebody broke in.
Wonderful. Yeah, I should. Wait. I want a burger.
That's what it's gonna tell us to do.
Wait.
I mean, we don't have one thing.
I need this real stuff. Oh my god.
Hold on then, let me go
Give
first.
customer a blank. What is a blank? Do you just want $1?
End the recording.
We're gonna have to take for this game to like actually start.
Like, chill.
Whoa, what's their foot parts?
Let's open the trunk.
Why are these foot so big? These are a big